Shenzhen Yiping Shidai Technology Company Limited, established in 2015, located in Shenzhen with convenient transportation access. Our company is a professional manufacturer focusing on the research and development, design, production, and sales of environmental household appliance products. We have many years' experience in home appliance product development, mainly engaged in product appearance, structural design work, and innovative research and development of energy-saving products. All of our products comply with international quality standards and are greatly appreciated in a variety of different markets throughout the world. We have attained more than 110 patents, conform to 3C system standard. Our products conform to UL, CE, RoHS, FCC, PSE, and METI standards, sell well in domestic and international markets, such as America, Europe, Japan, are favorable appraised by clients. Our company develops steadily in the fields of mold, injection molding, metal processing, and assembly. We strive to provide users with the most reasonable price, comfortable product experience, efficient delivery and logistics, as well as excellent after-sales service. At the same time, we are enthusiastic in dealing with all kinds of OEM and ODM orders. Our spirit, service, integrity, cooperation, innovation, win-win. Our mission, manufacture the best products for consumers. Our service concept, every little thing of yours is our big thing. Hope to build a long-term cooperation with you. Shenzhen Yiping Shidai Technology Company Limited. Care for human health.